Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on with the person on your mind. What's the energy? Okay. Someone is being forced to make a difficult decision for themselves. Someone needs to release someone. Okay. We have a third party here. Someone who is very emotionally controlling. I think, someone is having a hard time understanding. Your person is having a hard time understanding that a situation is over, a situation is done, and they don't know how to let go of this person. They want to let go of this person, but they have never done it in their life. Like, this is not someone who blocks people or, like, removes them out of their life. Like, that is not the usual norm for them. So, they don't know how to let go of this person. There is no emotional connection here with this third party. They don't have strong emotions towards this third party. They finally see the situation for the way it is. All these memories living in the past, like, past pictures, they have kind of categorized these memories as something that they needed to learn lessons from, and that's it, that's done. And this person wants to come towards you and offer you something. This person wants to take you out on a date and, lead you into a very strong romantic relationship. Like, yeah, that is what this person is intending to do. And this is a type of individual who is not going to make a rash decision. King of Swords is usually a very intelligent man. I'm picking up on this energy that this is a very well thought of decision. This person is not impulsively jumping to the conclusion that they want to, pursue you or chase you. That's not the case. This person feels very attracted to you, but at the same time, that is not something which is clouding their judgment. It's not because they are just attracted to you, that's why they are coming towards you and offering you a cup of love. No, that's not the case. This person has thought about it a lot. This person has assessed their emotions and thoughts and how they feel about the situation. For a lot of y'all, this person is being chased by this Queen of Cups in reverse. Yeah, this person is being chased by this Queen of Cups in reverse because of the stability. I think they were emotionally and financially connected in some sort of way. I'm picking up on an energy that, your person might have helped this Queen of Cups in a difficult time. And this Queen of Cups doesn't know how to say no to helping, I don't know, but like I'm picking up on someone who just is in a very vulnerable, devastating mind space. This Queen of Cups is in a very vulnerable, devastating mind space where she requires a lot of financial help, and your person doesn't know how to have firmer boundaries. Your person doesn't know how to say no because not necessarily in a romantic way, but even in a friendship way or in a dynamic where this person, they were involved or they know of each other very well, your person feels obligated to help her out. Yeah, I'm picking up on someone's energy who is being financially a leech on your person. Tell me something about this. Okay, I'm gonna check about this Queen of Cups in reverse. Can you tell me more about the Queen of Cups in reverse? Can you tell me more about the Queen of Cups in reverse? We have the Queen of Wands. So at a point in time, like, this woman was coming off as someone who is very independent, and she is very confident as well. And maybe on the outside, when you look at her social media, or where when you try to gather more information about her, she comes off as a woman who is very independent. She's very courageous. She dresses well. She takes care of herself. She's very amazing to look at. And your person was attracted to that. Can you tell me more about the Queen of Cups in reverse? Okay. We have the Star in reverse. Your person was blinded to the fact that, this person looks so amazing. Situation feels good. Like, things feel amazing. So they thought that this is the one for them. Like, at a point of time, your person thought that this Queen of Cups in reverse, this third party, is the one for them. With the Star in reverse, they've quickly realized that it was just an infatuation. Like, they quickly realized that it was nothing more than. I would not say that she was the wrong person for your person, but like, I'm trying to explain a situation because this Queen of Cups is not in the wrong here. Guys, please understand, I'm trying to explain a third party situation. This Queen of Cups was not in the wrong here. She's not manipulative, or she's not trying to get her way by being harmful to someone, but she and your person had a relationship which started off looking a certain way, but then quickly it turned out to be something different. It didn't go the way your person expected. But on the other hand, this Queen of Cups in reverse, her life started falling apart. When your person started dating this Queen of Cups in reverse, this Queen of Cups was very enigmatic. She was very confident. She was getting things done in her life. But then quickly, your person started realizing that, that's just a facade. That's just something which she likes to show to other people that her life is put together. But on the inside, she needs to work on a lot of things. She's emotionally unstable. She's emotionally unstable and she's not in an energy where she is secure as a person. She's very discouraged. And this is just a phase in her life. She will come out of this, but your person is in a different energy now, and this Queen of Cups in reverse is in a different energy. And now your person doesn't know how to draw a firmer and stronger boundary, uh, to keep her away. Yeah, because this Queen of Cups in reverse, she tries to strengthen the connection, but at the same time she knows that she is left alone. I think this Queen of Cups in reverse is in a very victim mentality. Like, she's not looking at this situation from a mature perspective, but rather she is accusing your person of using her, or just being there for her when things were good. But she's not realizing that she kind of camouflaged the situation. She was not open and honest about her difficulties and her challenges, which would impact the relationship in the coming future. That is what I'm picking up on. Okay. But we do have, like, they don't live together at this point of time. That's not something I'm picking up on. Like, there is a distance between them. But at a point in time, they were living together, or they were living very close to each other, which could have impacted the situation. Like, your person really got, how sometimes some people feel that they need to help someone out, like they are obligated to help someone out. I think this was a lesson for your person to have stronger boundaries and not help people just because they are sad, and just because you know them or you have a connection with them. So your person is moving towards you and they are coming towards you with a cup of love. Let's see what's going on. Give me the future energy for my collective and the person on their mind. Like, what is their future action? What can my collective expect when it comes to the future? Yeah, we have, you can expect a celebration, with the Four of Wands being here. I think finally, with this separation, even you are doing well for yourself and you're moving towards the things that matter for you, your passion projects, and this is bringing you and your person closer. So you can expect to live together. You can expect a communication from this person, because this person is going to, try to stay in your life. This person is thinking about you. You're coming up as a pair, King of Swords to the Queen of Swords. You're moving towards each other in a way which you might not even understand, but you were rectifying your life and you were working on the goals that matter for you. And that indirectly pulled this person back in your life, because this person is the right person for you. That's why you can't stop thinking about them. They are somewhere matching your energy and resonating with your heart chakra frequency on a very deep level. So that is something that you can expect in the future. You can expect a communication, and you can definitely expect this person to come towards you and have a long conversation with you. This person wants a future with you. So they're going to make it very clear that they want to work it out with you. So that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know your situation in the comments down below. Bye bye. See you in the next reading.